right? So where are our opportunities? Let's start with the pairs we talked about at once. Pound yen. I think this is very hot pair. I think this pair is aiming down, and I want to be in a sell sell direction. Now, how we should join there? We can say that the pair will most likely try to duplicate these double big waves, right, to the downside, which means it kind of has more like almost 200 points to go down, right? The question is, could we join here or should we wait a bit? We can see that from the previous wave that both waves down were based on 5 waves. The first wave here was based on 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not professional counter, right? But according from what I get and see from my colleagues that do count and do it professionally, the pound yen is expected to complete some correction here and do same 5 waves down move one more time. Now, after the first correction, the first wave here, we got double correction, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we got so far 1, 2, 3. We didn't have 4 yet. So from my point of view, we should see one more time. Here we go, something like that, some push to here, and right after that, I think it will be very good idea to go for a resell for the pound yen, aiming to take this as target, of course. Now pay attention, as the protection should be below the trend line that we can see on the 4-hour chart, right? In other words, somewhere above 137.80, maybe even 134. So one more push to the upside, closer to 20 EMA, orbit higher around 173.40, 50 once again, and we get a kick to the downside, which should be very good trigger, right? That's about the pound yen. And as I said, I believe this should be a target, this double wave duplication to the downside around 172, maybe even lower, around the 200 moving average on the daily chart. It should be very good opportunity, okay? And another protection, it should be below the daily 20.